All right, my people, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so right now, a lot of things are actually going on, and we are seeing what is happening in the country right now, where the people have to lament on a daily. This is not working well at all. Well, my brother, my sister, a strong one is reaching us right now, and the Nigerians are complaining bitterly, most especially on the part of the president. A lot of people are just expressing their grievances on what has been going on with the within the life of the people, and this is so bad. Yeah, so and then a lot of people have attributed that to the people who never listened and voted for Bola Tinubu. We've heard a lot of things, and as it stands, you don't need a soothsayer to tell you that Nigerians are so bitter since Bola Tinubu enters into power. We understand how the whole issue, the saga had been. A lot of people have not been themselves. Well, on this part, we want to talk about what the Abuja residents and commuters are actually crying about as at now. As you can see on your screen, you will see some vehicles. You can see that this is a sign of traffic hold up, the way we used to call it. Well, right now, a lot of people are raising concern on how President Bola Tinubu has been causing a lot of traffic in the street of Abuja, most especially the road leading to his house. And with what the people are complaining have been that President Bola Tinubu has not resumed in Aso Villa. He has not packed his things to the permanent residence, meaning the president has not resumed to his Aso Villa. And a lot of people, of course, have raised a lot of eyebrow onto this, that it's now causing a lot of traffic, that there is no way that this man will be going to the office every morning. The people have to park for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes on in the morning, even in the evening. The same thing, as soon as the president is going to the office, a lot of traffic will be on the street, on the highway, that which will result as telling all the commuters and then the other drivers to park their vehicle for the next 30 minutes that the president want to go to his office. And then when he closes, the same thing, they still have to park for another 30 minutes. And this has been happening on a daily. Now the people are tired that ẹ bá wa sọ fún bàbá Tinubu pé kán kó ẹrù wọn, kán kó lọ sí ilé wọn ní Aso Rock o, that he should move to Aso Rock, that the traffic is causing is disturbing us. Waiting happen sef. Well, and with what we have here, as you can see, it says, well, Abuja motorist has lamented the daily traffic allegedly caused by President Bola Tinubu, stating he has refused to move to Aso Rock. All right, my brother, my sister, he has refused to move to Aso Rock. And a lot of people have attributed a lot of things onto this. Say yes, so he can never go to Aso Rock now because he is scared of the final judgment. Okay, and some set of people have been like, yeah, so this man knows that he is not going to be there, so he doesn't want to embarrass himself. Well, my brother, my sister, with what we are actually talking about, and with what is actually going on in the country, we know a lot of people are facing a lot of hardship right now, and then majority of people are not even happy that President Bola Tinubu has been there, since they have noticed that he did not do what he promised. And we've seen a lot of people who have raised eyebrow onto, most especially the some Yoruba set of people who actually voted him in. A lot of people are lamenting right now, except we are deceiving ourselves. Everybody is lamenting that this man has disappointed them. Well, in other way round, with what the tribunal is also talking about, majority of people do have earlier lamented, and then they have made it clear that okay, in case of necessity, could it be that this man actually knows or he knew that something might go wrong, that's why he has not packed into move into Aso Rock, because we don't understand why it will be coming from home to the office where he's supposed to stay in Aso Rock that have been prepared for him. Many things had actually been said. Well, someone is of the opinion that it's better for him to wait for the tribunal outcome before moving into the villa, rather than moving into the villa in a hurry and being disgraced and then thrown out. Yes, this has been said by Spectre Pintoli. That's the name here. Well, someone is saying that, well, you are very right. He knows that he is not the actual winner of the election. Okay, my brother, my sister, what are we saying in essence? We have made it clear times without number. President Bola Tinubu, we don't know what is actually going to play out later. But in order for the Yoruba people not to be stranded, Baba, we would love you to at least try your best. Use this opportunity to declare Yoruba nation for us, and exactly what the people have actually talked about, that at least help us declare Yoruba nation. Let us know that okay, at the end of it all, we got Yoruba nation out of this. So majority of people are still of the opinion that at the end of it all, the president might be disappointed, and with everything they are saying right now. Let's look into it. Why has it been that the president has refused to move to Aso Rock? I have a lot of comments. Some set of people gave some reasons, being that yes, Aso Rock needs to be sanitized before the president goes in, so that's why he has not actually moved in. Well, some set of people are not like, the truth of the matter is he wants to see the final judgment of the tribunal, so that is why he's still outside in case of necessity. My brother, my sister, what are we actually talking about? This actually tells us that Baba himself knows that it might not work out. Then, my brother, my sister, why can't he just declare Yoruba nation jejely and wirely? We are seeing everything that is going on in the country. Nothing is actually working, and the majority of people have made it clear that it's not the fault of the president, that is not the fault of Baba Bola Tinubu at all, but is because there are some set of people who are actually controlling him. You understand what that means? That he is not in charge. That's what it means. Well, my brother, my sister, what do you think is actually going to happen if at the end of it all the president finally gets confirmed? What do you think is going to happen to the people? And then secondly, what if at the end of it all he is removed? And right now we have the opportunity to get Yoruba nation declared. Who do you think will be there? Do you think the person that will be there will favor the people? That's another one. Well, right now I think two things are actually involved. Yes, two things are actually involved, which to me I think they are on the negative side. Yes, on the negative side. If Baba Bola Tinubu gets there, only God knows what is going to play out, because with what we have seen, with what has been gathered, it has shown that Baba Tinubu is not in charge. Yes, we pray that the people will not suffer. And then the second chance, the second how will I put it, the second disadvantage, because I said two things are involved. which will not favor us. If Baba lives there and the Yoruba nation is not being declared, what do you think will still happen to the people? These are very, very sensitive questions. Some sort of people think, like, what is this man saying? But my brother, my sister, we need a full rethink. Yes, because as it stands, if you are there, you are waiting for one Nigeria. Let me tell you something. It will not favor you, because there's nothing like that. We have said it times to that number. Provided that 1999 constitution remains, then nobody is safe. Right now, the people are buying fuel at the rate of 500. Some set of people, luckily, they got it at the rate of 500 naira, because somebody decided to subsidize that for them. Yes, somebody decided who has a filling station. In fact, the person is this our Nigerian footballer Ahmed Musa has his own filling station in Kano, and when he noticed the stress from 620, just to reduce the hardship in the life of his people, and then he brought down the price for them, give them some discount that they should be paying 520 instead of 620, and the people were jubilating. My brother, my sister, that is Nigeria for you. People jubilating on 500 naira per liter fuel. Then, my brother, my sister, where are we going? Don't you think it will get to a stage the people will be adapted to suffering, like too much suffering, and they will be smiling? That is why I am telling you that as far as this country Nigeria is concerned, if you are out there, you are saying we are one, my brother, my sister, it's only the good Lord that will help us. There's nothing in Nigeria that has gone up that comes down easily, my brother, my sister. It takes God's intervention. When the price goes up, I'm not sure it can come down easily. It has never happened. That's why we are saying Yoruba nation, no going back. Let everybody wake up. Let us be separated as fast as possible. Don't let anybody deceive you. Be wise. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. All right, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.